I'm amazing. Pure organic barley from I Am Worldwide lang. Lagi ang iniinom ko. So, now it's time to drink my barley. Ganito lang po kasimple yan. Konting tubig lang. Not too much. Room temperature or cold, pwede. Kahit hot, basta wag boiling. And then, mix, mix, mix. Cheers! Para hindi sayang, sisimutin natin lahat. Yan, all the goodness, all the nutrients. Every day. All gone. Remember, I Am Worldwide lang ang tunay. Mag-iingat kayo kasi ang dami-dami na pong fake ngayon. Pati mga kahon namin, kinokopya na. So, be extra discerning and make sure hindi kayo maluloko. God bless you.